Hello, everyone, and welcome to another video from Mantra. And if you have been following our helpful video series, then initially we had an introduction video about taking you through the different options and how Mantra works. There was a video on how AI assistant works. There were videos on how AI agents as well as databases and forms work, etc. So this video we will actually only focus on in this video we'll only focus on how to work with files. So as said, uh, Mantra is built as a note taking app, and uploading files to such apps we have always been used to, and working with those files, understanding those files is clearly kind of one of the strong points of Mantra. And we are trying to build on more features into it. But for now, in a short demo, let me show you how you can actually work with files, and how kind of files are processed and used by the AI assistant to answer your questions. So if you're actually joining us right after the AI assistant video, we know that we had actually created a work related uh, workspace, and there were pages added with an MOM. The AI assistant understood it and summarized it for us. And even there was like a page where it created a database and populated it for us, etc. Right? So let's continue on the same path where usually when you are in a meeting, you write down MOM. You'll always get some sort of PDFs or some documents from your customer, or maybe if you're a student from your classroom, etc. So we will start actually with adding the files to the workspace or this particular page first, so that let's see how that behaves. So as like in a real life scenario, I got a PDF from my customer during this consultation meeting. So I'm going to upload that. So if you give me a minute, I will choose file here, and I will upload a PDF file from my file system. So I'm just going to have a small pause here and then come back after I upload. So here you can see that I have uploaded something in the same like kind of pattern as this super ecom kind of which is an imaginary company. The kind of the meeting notes that I had as part of like it's kind to kind of simulate a strategy document from them, which I got as part of the meeting, right? So once you upload it here, it becomes part of this page, and also it becomes available under my files. So as you can see, this file is being now studied or being processed by Mantra, so that it becomes available to be understood by the Mantra AI assistant. So I'll just copy the name of the file here, but basically like you can see this file. This is the PDF that has been uploaded. So it's just like a standard PDF document which has kind of text and images and all that, which has a lot of details which has been shared by the customer. So yeah, so it's now ready for query. So basically that means this file now is understood by Mantra, right? So let's go to the MOM page where we had uploaded the PDF. We'll open the Mantra AI assistant. Maybe we can to start clean, we can have a new AI session. So I can say, hi, I had uploaded a file named, yeah, can you read the contents of it? So it's a straightforward question. Let's see if it has become available. Okay, all right. So it's so it's giving us the complete content of the PDF file. So yeah, I mean it hasn't even. I'm not sure whether even summarized. No, it is a full content. So it has contents. The document is a confidential client workshop material. So as said, if it is confidential, it stays within this workspace, and it is in your only in your private workspace. So there. So see, all the details are actually here. So let's see. So okay, great. Can you now combine the contents from this PDF file and relate it with the content of the page MOM underscore 01 03, and come up with strategic points or relationships between what was discussed in the meeting and what's in the PDF file. So let's see what it does. So now we are asking it to kind of combine what it has learned from this file that has been uploaded, as well as the minutes of the meeting. So it's now doing the processing and the thinking, and as it says, the brainstorming, etc., to come up with some sort of content which can actually help us. So as said, like Mantra AI Assistant works on pretty basic but powerful AI mechanism, or like a model. So, like if, for example, if you want to extend this a bit more further in our kind of studies, it has come to like that. If you have bring your own a key for a pretty stronger model, you can get really amazing results combining points from different pages and workspaces. So it has created a like a page for us. Let's see what it has added. The meeting discussed AI powered this personalization. File provided is a detail or the company's goals. See, so personalized homepage. See, it has combined both of it, and there's importance of transparency. See, so it has given like that. As said, ours is like a very basic LLM model, which actually is taking care of the assistant. So if you actually bring your own model and have it in our assistants, which sorry, in agents that we look in detail in another video, you will see like what kind of better results you can actually get. So I said, like, we are in the process of improving it, but as you can see, it has come up with points combining two of these, like from one from the file and one from the page, and created some points for us. So yes, this is one of the things that the AI assistant can do, and when files are uploaded, so you can actually upload multiple files into this, and when it becomes ready for querying, just mention the name of the files. If you have like multiple files to kind of cross match, cross relate to, just make sure that it is either in the like the same page or within the same workspace, so that it is actually readable to the AI assistant, and thus you can actually come up with these kind of points and ideas. So like you can still work on it, like you can still ask more questions, like can I come up with some action points, or so whatever it understands it will. And if you have already something, you can actually give to it and say that maybe improve it or find even more new ideas, so it can help you with that. So that's how you actually work with files. And as said, like all files are available. All files are available. You can even use it as a storage. The free tier comes with 5 GB of storage space. The pro version comes with 50 GB of storage space. And at a single point, like 5 MB is the maximum size of a single PDF that you can actually upload, because there's a limit in the free tier. So it's 50 MB for a pro version. So yeah, this is how you can actually work with the AI assistant and the contents of the file. So please take it out for a spin, and maybe you can actually use it for some wonderful things. Just before leaving, I would like to kind of leave you with one a bit more, like if you're a student, this is for you. So if I can ask, like, hey, based on the this from the content from the PDF file, can you create a set of uh, five questions and answers in a flashcard, and insert it into the the new page you created. So this is for students. Like, of course, for a consulting gig, you don't need this. But if you are a student and you uploaded a file which is about the text contents, then it can clearly kind of create some sort of flashcard, and it will insert it for you. So if I say yes, this can be very useful for students who are actually preparing for kind of exams or quizzes, etc., where You give it a file, a PDF file, which is part of your study. It'll read everything in that. It can actually talk to you, and what are the most important things you can actually create. So as said, this is one of the more advanced features that, or kind of object that it supports, Mantra page. So I see, like, you can click and reveal the answer, right? So, and you can go to the next question. Oh, what is the it has even graded himself, like it's a target one. What are the target experiences of phase one? So if you click, you can get the answer. So as said, like, of course it is not specifically relevant to the consulting gig, but for students, or if you're preparing for some questions or Q&A, this is also going to be very useful for you. On that note, I would like to leave you, and maybe see you in another video where we talk about AI agents that we support, or maybe about the databases or the forms, etc., that we support in Mantra. All right. So thanks for joining us. Hope to see you soon.